Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Harsh. Today I study about taxes, about companies, stocks, and today I study about AI automation and what's the service I should provide to my client. And I just notice so much things, and I will tell you bunch of new and good information for you, which is helpful for you if you're building with me. This is my documenting my video every day, and I am doing providing information uh, last year, and here I have some good things like taxes. If you earn enough to to build yourself, if you earn enough to think about taxes, because if you don't earn money enough to think about tax, you will don't earn. Your problem is not money. Your problem is not money. Your problem is not tax. Your problem is money, because this is the thing mm, you have a life lesson. mm, if you don't earn money, then you pay how you pay in taxes, because earning money is pretty limited, because you have a personal account and you have a business account, and both account are separately. And if you cross the limit, you will be need to pay to government. This is what happen everywhere. And you should focus on first on money, on income, then shift on uh, taxes, and study about these things. And I learn about stocks. Stocks, which is buy and sell. It's simple meaning, simple definition of stocks. And you just uh, buy in a small amount and sell in a big amount. You will be in profit. This is a basic and knowable. Everyone know that this is a good strategy to earn and better profit. And the stocks have so much other types, but I will discuss in another video. And today I just learn about AI and automation. This is and I will tell you something about AI and automation, which is so much important in this era, because you see ChatGPT, you see AI tools are just famous. They earn so much wealth, and those people who make these things and they earn better, they become millionaire or billionaire. Then think about it. And you just need to learn and execute, and again until you win.